What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're ripping out Tommy's interior and taking out the windshield. 2021 is going to be a big year for us. So pretty much we're all going to get cages, I think, and Tommy is taking the initiative to be the first one. He's went ahead and started taking out the windshield, so it is loose already. He's going ahead now and removing the seats. We're then going to clean it up, get it all stripped and ready, and then we are going to be taking it to get caged. Where are you taking it? Do you know yet?
Dave Nashwinner.
Dave Nashwinner. Shout out to Dave. I actually didn't know Dave was doing it until right now, so shout out to Dave. What up, Dave? Yeah, so we're trying to get it done here, and then I think within the week, we're going to be sending it, I guess, trailering it over to Ohio. Jeez, we might have to make this a video for TLC. Hoarders.
Hoarders. I have fucking not cleaned this car out in I don't know how long.
Oh, there's all the toe straps.
They must have got tossed in there after an event.
During the event, something. You gonna eat that?
Yeah, those are good. Gator toes.
Alright, so we went ahead, got the seats removed. Tom's still cleaning up it a little bit. Taking the back seat out now.
I need a smaller socket.
So we're gonna go ahead, get this cleaned out. Then I think we're just gonna clean up the floorboard, get the center console out. Then we gotta take out the dash. That's about it. After that, we just want to get it stripped down to the bare minimum, make it easy for Dave. That way he can get in there, get the cage done, get it back to us. We're not really worrying about it for that long. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, keep working on this. Catch up with you later.
You guys like how we use the impact for everything? Best tool I've ever bought. So, we've got the back seat stripped out, the harnesses stripped out, the rear plastic stripped out. The deck lid stripped out. Oh yeah, headliner's coming down too, huh? Yeah, that's okay. It's gotta come out too. I want it in. Oh! I just broke. This one. We got another one. A green state sticker. Who put this in my car? That's sick. What a find. Here's the fun part.
The dash.
The dashboard. Where's that bucket? Fuck. Alright, so what you guys want to do is you're going to want to start off by taking all your cluster stuff off, or all of your
Center console.
and you saw us do that. So then we took out the head unit and the radio. We took out this dash with 2 screws up top, and then there's the traction control plug and the other plug that's on the other side. You gotta unplug those. Now what we're gonna work on is taking this
Cluster out.
cluster out.
It should just be a couple screws around it.
It's gonna be a pain to put this back in with the cage. You have to cut it. Already not looking forward to that. Gonna have to figure out a solution for these pillar gauges. They're gonna have to go somewhere, probably in the vents. Probably have to print out some vent gauges. Alright. that comes out just like that. There's a plug on the back. Be careful with this. You can see I'm freestyling it.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. And I should be. I'm gonna try to be delicate with this stuff because you know we don't want to try to find that shit.
So we're gonna pop this off.
We pick that out without breaking it.
It looks like there's one right here, and I imagine it's over there on the other side too. This had to have been removed before because that was finger tight.
This would be the easiest dash removal through the front windshield. Hold up. What the fuck, mate? They put the fucking. Dude, come check this out.
What'd they do?
They put the wiring and the hoses for the oil pressure gauge through a hole in the dash. Shout out to whoever did that.
Why don't you just cut it right here?
I'm about to.
Just cut it right there.
Crisis averted.
So we finally think we got everything unbolted, wires moved out of the way, glass is off. This should now just come right out the top. Here we go. Just open the door and take it out.
There we go. Big Hydra.
It's official. Windshield, dashboard, out of the 240. So definitely gonna probably clean it up, clean it all up. Headliner's probably still gonna need to come out.
Yeah.
What else?
Not gonna really clean out the inside, unbolt any unnecessary stuff we don't need. We take that blown out airbag out.
Alright, so it's been a minute since we caught you guys up. The headliner's out, everything's out, the panels are all out. We actually went ahead and started cleaning up some stuff. We found a spot where brake fluid must have been sitting on the floor, so it ate away at the paint a little bit, took the paint off. No biggie. We are going to undercoat this eventually on the inside once the cage is in. Drop a comment down below for cage color recommendations.
Yeah, like what colors you guys want to see this thing? Alright guys, so we have everything that was in there out, and it's ready to go to Dave to get caged, and that's pretty much where this video ends. So drop a comment below, let's see what color you guys think we should paint this cage, and definitely hit that subscribe button, that helps us out a lot, like we said. We look forward to seeing you in the next one, so stay safe, have a good one.